So yeah, hi guys, hope you're all fine. Now yet today mbadde njagala kwogera ku something that is going on. It is a cash app, something like that sort. So yesterday nabadde ndi scrolling on my TikTok. I happened to see that app, but I believe it is a scam. I mean, so girl child always wants to find out. I am this kind of person that is always so curious. Eva njagala kumanya kubanga I need that paycheck. So this app is called Cliko Cash, something like that. I am going to write the word down there, but it's Cliko Cash. So basically chebakola mbono ogenda no investing like you invest something like they have two packages, that is waliwo eya gumu kitundu waliwo n'endala eya esatu kitundu. So bwe investing your money keeps on multiplying, naye bo kyebakola obeera oli mu kulaba ads. I want to find out, is it a scam, is it real, is it like kubanga let me tell you one thing, they have stolen Ugandans in those such things. There is a friend of mine yagenda, that is last year, he happened to send me an app. It was of the same kind, naye eriyo yali eina different products nga yo egamba nti no bakolama, it was something like power, okitegeera bintu nga bya how are they called zino eza power ezijja kuki kumu, how is it called? Oh my god, I have lost the word. Zino ezijja kumusana ye nzo neziwa that power. So ziri package zalinga za mitwalo 6, 15 biki. Let me tell you, abaana ba investinga, abaana neba sente zaabwe ne bazirya. Omanyi, we are in a generation where everyone wants to get that quick money, but I am still looking at this app and I am going to be giving you all the details about this app. But according to me, I think it is a scam. Omanyi zino app zijja bwe ziti nezi like abasooka okuziyingiramu be bafunafunamu, bwe bamaliriza boom app nebulawo. Ate mostly bwegendereze app nga eri ku Google, like nga teyinaako location or something, like there is no genuine information about it. Let me come back in the next video.